How's it going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Enoylity Technology, and get ready to breathe the air in its purest form. But before you take a breath, do like, share and subscribe. Presenting you Macro Pro Air Purifier from Dreo. It is a super silent, coming with 3 stages of high efficiency H13 true HEPA filter system, which improves the air quality and helps you to breathe fresh air. It captures 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.3 micron, which includes dust, pet dander, smoke, odor, pollens and more. Now let's have a look on the box content. Here we get the air purifier itself, coming with user manual and 5 years of warranty card that you can issue from your website. Before powering on this air purifier, don't forget to remove the plastic wrapping of the filter. For that, turn this filter upside down, rotate the bottom cover and remove it. Remove the filter from its packaging and put it back. Once done, set this up and now your air filter is all set to give pure air. To get most out of your air filter, make sure you have ample amount of space around it. If you have a close look on the top, we have 8 different touch sensitive buttons. Power button, a timer button where you can set a time duration of 2 hours, 4 hours or 8 to turn this filter on and off. A child lock button. Just press this for 3 seconds and it will lock and unlock the mode. Apart from this, here we have 4 different type of modes. Auto mode, where it will adjust itself on its own for how dirty the air is in your home. The more dust, pollen you have in your home, the harder it will work. Manual mode, where you can select speed of the fan from low, medium and high. Turbo mode, this will make the fan speed to run at its highest speed of up to 6 feet per second, getting rid of your allergens, dust and other pollutants in your home. And sleep mode, it will set the fan speed to its lowest and all the buttons will be on mute. And at the end we have a filter indicator which will blink whenever the system feels to change the filter. It is recommended to replace the filter every after 6 to 8 months or when the filter change reminder alerts. The air purifier works with smart algorithm on the filter life that monitor fan speed, length of operation and provides longer life and fresher air. This uses 3 stage of filtration system, which is composed of a pre-filter, H13 HEPA filter and a high efficiency activated carbon filter. The pre-filter will capture large air particles such as dust, fiber and pet hair. The HEPA filter will absorb 99.97% of air particles and the carbon filter will remove chlorine, sediments and odor. A 360 degree of air intake drags pollutant from all sides and circulate clean air up to 5 times per hour in a large room. It will require around 45 minutes to purify an area of 1000 square feet. The inbuilt air quality sensor monitors the air around you and let you know it through 24/7. Blue color for excellent air quality, green for good, orange for moderate and red for poor. The air purifier consists of integrated airflow system that makes the airflow smoother and silent with the help of DC motor that deliver air as quiet as 20 decibels in sleep mode. So overall, we find the Dreo Macro Air Purifier a better one to keep at home, which is silent, which have high turbo speed and also which clears 99.97% of air. So this was all about the Dreo Macro Pro True Air Purifier. I hope you like this video. If so, do hit that like button, subscribe this channel and also share this video with your loved ones. This is Enoylity Technology and we will catch you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.
Music bed.